balancing the content creating stuff, editing, which takes a lot of time. I don't know about it. Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If this is your first time of stopping by, hi. Nice meeting you for the first time. So in today's video, we'll be talking about my struggle as a YouTuber, as a content creator on YouTube. Oh, a lot of struggles, but I'm just going to go to give you few of them, and I want to hear your own struggles as a content creator on the comment section. Please leave a comment below sharing with us your struggles so far. Have you been monetized? Are you still a newbie like us? Though I've been monetized, but I believe I'm still a newbie because if you haven't watched the video of where I talked about how much I've made so far, please go and watch it so that you understand the reason why I am saying I am still a newbie. So without wasting so much time, let's get it. So my first struggle as a YouTuber is being consistent. I know you've heard so many YouTubers telling you guys of how is advisable to stay consistent on YouTube. But to tell you the truth, that's one of my struggles, staying on YouTube or being consistent on YouTube. If you haven't checked my channel is all about mostly tutorials on children clothes, which I'm trying thinking of changing niche or incorporating a new niche into it to see how it goes. So staying consistency, making those videos. I upload videos 3 times a week at most. For 90% of time, I upload video 3 times a week. So you can imagine making the tutorials, editing, doing the voiceover, uploading it with the bad network and the data consuming state. So it takes a lot. So being that consistent 3 times a week, sometimes I feel that I am doing too much, but I just want to. I will as when I started, it's just a way of trying to get my goal of 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber, which then come by easily on this channel. So while that's one of my struggles, being consistent. Another struggle that I've had while being on YouTube is time management. Okay, time management. Okay, I'm looking down. I have my jotter here just to not to forget 1 or 2 points. So that's time management. What I mean is balancing the content creating stuff, editing, which takes a lot of time. I don't know about sit and talk videos, but the tutorials and every other video, apart from sitting down video, it takes a lot of energy. I'm not saying that sitting down videos doesn't take energy. It do as well, and it takes a lot to. In fact, all videos takes a lot to edit, so that you guys don't come for me. So it takes a lot of time to edit, coupled with the fact that I am also a mom of four. So managing my life, my children, being a good mom or being the best mom that I can be for my children, being a wife as well, and then creating content. In fact, it takes a lot of time. So that time management is what I struggle with most times to get on to time management is what I struggle with most times. I am sometimes I feel that I am not managing it well or I'm not doing the right thing, but I couldn't help it or I can't help it. I have children that needs my attention, husband needs my attention, my family needs my attention, and also YouTube channel needs my attention because one thing with YouTube is that once you leave it, it drops and picking it up again is a lot. So I'm trying to manage it and which sometimes I don't even know how to. Sometimes I sleep around 12, 1 at night, 12 midnight, 1 a.m. Sometimes just to finish the editing, sometimes just to make a voiceover or do something that at least to cut short the time I'm going to spend in the next day's work. So that time management is a another struggle that I've been or I've encountered I've seen so far for the lack of better words right now I can't think of any other word is self-doubt. In fact, you see this self-doubt, sometimes it gives me sleepless nights, sometimes it gives me anxiety, but at a point I just bring myself back and I say all those people that all those big YouTubers or those the people that are doing well, they started from somewhere. So sometimes I think I'm not doing enough. There's something other people are doing that I'm not doing, or my video is not as good as other people's video. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Though I watch all my videos, but since I watch my videos and for me I feel it's good. It might not be the best, but it's good. And other creators are getting so much views. So I most times I keep wondering, is there something else they are doing that I'm not doing? Or maybe my video is not up to their standard. Sometimes my video might most sometimes be better than theirs, but I keep self-doubting myself because I can't place my finger of what is happening. So that's one struggle I've been on for the longest time. In fact, it's not a consistent something. Maybe it comes and goes. Maybe some. In fact, most times something triggers it, and once something triggers it, that period I'll be down. Like I'm not all this work I am putting. I am not seeing the result. The result is not coming up as much as the effort I am putting. But on the second thought, I just use the I talk to myself that all those big YouTubers or people that have more views started from somewhere, and I'm going to get better. So that's what I used to encourage. Another struggle that I've been on or I've experienced in through this process of YouTube is burnout. That's mean managing my physical and mental exhaustion, because the truth of the matter is YouTube is exhausting. Requires a lot of work. I know that you've heard this from one or two YouTubers, those people that talks about mostly what and what to do to grow on YouTube, or in fact, if you've been watching videos on YouTube, things that concerns YouTube, you must have heard someone said that YouTube requires lots of work, and that's where the burnout comes from, because you are trying to meet up with other YouTubers, or meet up with when you discover that your channel is not as good as other ones, so you're trying to meet up with them and you find out that you'll be burnt out. You'll be burnt out mentally, you'll be burnt out physically, you won't have time for yourself. These days I've decided to that I'm going to be creating time for myself, at least make my hair make my hair and look better, instead of every time YouTube. I put in so much work on YouTube, so much work, or maybe because every other part of my life is taking my time as well. Not only YouTube, maybe that's why I feel this way. But the truth of the matter is, YouTube requires so much work. So if care is not taken, you'll be burnt out. Another struggle I've experienced is dealing with failure and setbacks. In fact, I don't know if I'm the only one, or is there someone else that feels or they are scared of failing on this YouTube. In fact, when I was started with my YouTube journey after a year of being on YouTube, in fact, I have other channel. The other channel that I was doing hair tutorials, I sit down and I make my hair and I put it up for others to see. So I stopped that channel because I got pregnant on the way doing that, and that same channel has not been monetized. So after sometimes I think go up to a year or so of that being on that channel, I got pregnant. I decided to stop because I couldn't keep up before I started this particular channel. And this channel, I still have that fear of failure before I got monetized. Even as I am monetized, I still have that fear of failure. What if I don't succeed on YouTube? Because the truth of the matter is, there are so many people around you looking up to you, whether they say it or not, they are looking up to you. Maybe they want to start that YouTube channel as well, but they are waiting for you to pull through. They're waiting for you to tell them, oh, this venture is a good one, you can go into it. But so that fear of, what if I fail, what if I don't succeed on this channel, what will people say? If I most times that's what we say, right? But we don't care what people say. But you still have it at the back of your mind. What will people say? What will they see you as a failure? So that fear of failure is still there, and I try as much as possible to keep it out of my mind, because the truth is it messes with your mental health, it messes with your mind. So I try to keep it away from me. Not that I don't remember it or it doesn't come up as one or two times. It do comes up, but what I do is to try to distract myself from thinking about it too much, so that I don't start having anxieties and start affecting my mind. So that's one thing I've struggled with in this YouTube channel: fear of failing. Fear of failing. I don't know about other people. This is my personal experience. All this why I've been on YouTube. And the next struggle I've experienced is managing your online presence and being constantly creating tutorials, constantly creating or producing content, managing your online. In fact, sometimes I feel like just being on my own, not creating any content, not replying any messages, nothing. Not that I don't like the messages that are coming up. Please don't get me wrong. Keep dropping the comments. The comments I'll reply to all the comments, which I've always do. You guys know now. So do not say that because I said I want to be. I just want to be. And let me stop dropping the comment. Please no, those comments, those likes, it gives my channel a boost. It shows YouTube that, oh, this girl, this woman, whoever, this lady is doing something good, and so let's push her channel or that video more. So that's what those likes and those comments does on a video. Please don't stop liking my videos, don't stop commenting, don't stop whatever comments, it doesn't matter. So please don't stop don't stop it, please. Always leave a comment, always give me a thumbs up. So maintaining that online presence is a struggle. You can't stay. Sometimes I want to try the day, I just want to rest, but when you remember that, oh, I'm so supposed to upload a video today or tomorrow, you have to, my sister, you have to stand up. You have to stand up and go and do that work. And then keeps me going is sometimes I tell myself, what if this job is a 9 to 5? Won't you go to work? Or during those hours of work, are you going to go out and lie down? So once I think about that thing, I stand up. But sometimes I just since it's not 9 to 5, let me rest, because this rest, please. I need to rest. I'm a mom as well. And also trying to produce content, making sources for ideas, sourcing for styles, sourcing for new ways of making that tutorial simpler than it's maybe I usually do. I find trying to find a way to make it more understanding for you guys, especially for beginners. So it's not easy. That's another struggle I've been on. Sometimes I just do it the way I can. If there's any question, I will get back to the person. But most times I just trying to find a new way of doing that same thing that we all know how to do, or for beginners who don't know how to do it. So my online presence is another struggle as. So for this will be the last point. If you like this kind of video, all you have to do is to leave a comment below, and I'll make more of my struggles so far, maybe to encourage someone and to let you know that you are not alone. We all have our fears, our struggles, our demons. If I should, I don't know if that's the right word to use. So we all have our struggles. And for the last one is comparison to others. I don't know. I keep saying I don't know if I'm the only one that is comparing myself to others. That's comparing yourself to other big what's that noise? I'm sorry, I don't know if you guys can hear it. Someone is trying to my neighbor is trying to, I don't know, hitting the wall. But comparing yourself to others, especially those people that you know they've been on YouTube for the longest of time, you don't expect them to be for both of you to be on the same state or the same level. But sometimes we can't help it. Okay, sometimes I can't help it. I compare myself. I most times I think, is there something they are doing that I'm not doing, or is there a keyword they are using I'm not using? In fact, I cannot help it sometimes. Apart from comparing myself with other bigger other channel that have started before me, I know there are some also new creators that are doing well. So I can't help it. I can't help it, but wonder what they are doing that I am not doing. But just staying focused, avoid comparison. It helps. I try to avoid it as well. But sometimes it just slip into my mind and I wonder why. So I just stop comparison. If you want to give make if you want your state of mind to be in it's for your mind to be in a good state. Stop comparison, stay focused to your journey. We all have different journeys, though we are leading to it's going to the same destination. Of maybe if you're into sewing tutorials, you can still, the end point is that the tutorial, after cutting, you are it is going to come out as a nice dress. But some people might have another pattern of cutting theirs, and you might have a different pattern of cutting theirs. So we have all have two different um um journey, but we are going to the same destination. I hope it makes sense, Sha. So please stay focused and on your journey. There's no need for you to be comparing yourself to others, though it helps you to push more, to do more tutorials, but don't compare it too much. It's not good. It's going to affect you. This is speaking from experience. It's going to affect you. It's going to give you anxiety. It's going to give you a headache. It's going to make you feel like it's going to make you feel worthless. Like what you are doing is not, you're not doing enough. My sister, my brother, you are doing enough. You are enough. The one you are doing is enough. But if you want to do more, it's okay. But first of all, believe that you are doing enough before you put in more work, so that you don't get burnt out. And why you are going through all these things, please try and rest, drink water and rest as well. And that's all for this. I want to say that's all for this time. So that's for all for this video, for this my struggle. I have more, but this is one or two that I said, so that this video won't be long. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All my videos, please, after watching my videos, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and share my videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.